Very good morning. Good morning, sir. Thank you. Respected Pramod Vyasji, owner of this institution, director, principal ma'am, she is from Kerala, our native place, native state, and teachers and dear students. Can you understand English? Huh? Yes. Okay, thank you. Let us make this morning beautiful in our minds with a Kathakali lecture demonstration and performance by great Kathakali Guru, Guru Kottakkal Nandakumaran Nair and his team. Children, have you seen Kathakali? Huh? Kathakali, it is Kerala's classical art form. Kathakali originated in Kerala centuries back. Years back. Kathakali, Katha means story, Kali means play. Kathakali means story play. Stories are presenting on stage with the dance. That is Kathakali. We have a number of stories. Almost all stories are from our Indian epics. Which are our Indian epics? Students, which are our epics? Purana. Purana Kavya. Naam kya hai? Huh? Correct. What is the name? Yes. Ramayana. Or? Yes, Mahabharata. 2. Ram student has to start learning. He has to take more than 8 years to finish his course. Then he has to get a lot of stage experiences. Then we will get a best Kathakali artist. Kathakali, we have body exercises. Number of body exercises. First, Guruji is going to show you the body exercises, facial expressions, mudras and hand gestures. Now I invite Guruji Kottakkal Nandakumaran Nair to come on stage and start the demonstration part. This is Prana. It is known as Kali Sadhakam. Listen. Yes. Thank you. Next, Guruji is going to show you 24 Kathakali letters. What is the first letter in English? A. Hindi. In Kathakali, the first letter is Padagam. Students, you raise your hands and follow Guruji. Fine. Learn the basic letters of Kathakali. Raise, little more raise. Fine. First one, its name is Padagam. What is second in English? Kathakali Mudrakyam. Khadagam. Mushti. Kartarimugam. Shugatundam. Kapitagam. Hamsapaksham. Shikharam. Hamsasyam. Anjali. Arthachandram. Muguram. Brahmaram. Suchikamukam. Pallavam. Tripadagam. Mrigashirsham. Sarpashirasar. Vardhamanagam. Aralam. Urnanabham. Mogulam. Khadagamugam. Yes, these are the 24 letters of Kathakali. By using these letters, they can make words, they can make sentence, they can communicate each other. That there a king is coming. A king, Raja, is coming. Look, with the instruments. There. Next, Guruji is going to show you another beautiful one. That is a flower, a Brahman. Brahman is in Hindi is Brahman. Its name is Brahman. You know Brahman? It is coming to have honey from this beautiful flower. Flower. Students, I have a request. Give one sentence. Guruji will show you. Whatever. Please stand one from you and give me one sentence. Guruji will show you whatever the sentence you are giving. Any sentence? Please raise your hand. Any boy or girl? Yes. Give me any sentence. Who is the leader? Okay, very good. I didn't get it.
It's raining.
Okay. It is raining with heavy lightning and thunder. Okay? Terrible. Rain. Lightning. Thank you. Any more sentence? One more sentence. Okay. That boy is leaving. Okay.
Farmer is cutting crops.
Sorry.
Farmer is cutting crops.
Farmer is cutting crops. Okay. Okay. Any more sentence or we'll go the next? Ah, okay, fine. What is your sentence?
Earthquake is coming.
Huh?
Earthquake.
Earthquake. Okay. These are falling down and people are dying. Okay, sit right. Building fire. Thank you. Okay. This is the last. Shall I go the next? Okay. You have sentence? Huh? Huh? Okay. This is the last. This is the last. आपका नाम क्या है? आप नाम क्या? Okay. Thank you. Next, in Kathakali, not only in Kathakali, all Indian classical art forms, the face is very important. According to the context on stage, the artist face has to take the same mood, same expression. For that purpose, we have Navarasas. Now, how many now? Nine. We have 9 facial expressions. That is not only in Kathakali, I think it is in Kathak also we have the facial expressions, Navarasas. It is known as Navarasas. Next, Guruji is going to show you Navarasas. Among these, listen me. Guruji is going to show you three animals. He is in a forest, jungle. He saw a very big elephant. That elephant is walking here and there and dragging the branches of trees, taking mud and throwing on its body. The actions of elephant we can see the first. Then second, there came a very big python. What is python? Huh? Okay. What is it? Snake. Very big python that became, and it reached to the elephant and caught one of the legs of the elephant, and that python is trying to swallow this big elephant. Then we can see the struggle between these two, and elephant and the python. And at last, what happened? That elephant tired. Third side, a very hungry lion. We can see a hungry lion. That hungry lion is watching this scene, the fight between these two. Then elephant tired, hungry lion jumped on the forehead of elephant, split forehead and having blood. Then it goes back. Then what happened? That elephant dead. Gradually, that big python swallowed this big elephant. That part Guruji is going to show you. One more point I am asking to you, that Guruji is going to show you 3 animals. What are the names of the 3 animals? Very good. Okay. Lion. Elephant is dying. Okay. Thank you. Dress, crown and everything. What we are showing today, apart from Mahabharata. You know Mahabharata? Yes, Mahabharata. Pandavas were in terrible jungle forest. While they are living in forest, one day Draupadi, Panchali got a beautiful flower. Saugandhika flower. She wanted to get more these kind of flowers. So she requested her powerful, strong husband. Who is her strong husband? Huh? Who is Panchali's strong husband? Bhim. Please look my hands. This is beautiful Saugandhika flowers. If you think I shall get more these kind of flowers from this terrible forest, then Bhima wanted to get these Saugandhika flowers from mountain, from jungle. So Bhima took his weapon. What is Bhima's weapon? Loudly say, what is it? Gada. Yes, Gada. Then Bhima started the way where that flower came through Bhima. He destroyed everything. Whatever he saw in front of him, hills, trees, another caves, animals and everything. That part we are going to show you with full makeup category. Panchali and Bhim. Listen.
Adimohanamatra divyam
Sadhu once more I thank owner and director, principal, and all teachers and students to listen this great Kerala's classical art forms. Thank you very much.